Hello, I'm Sarah Falk, and I wanted to share with you how to make a roller bottle to make your own essential oil blends. You are going to love how easy this is. So this is an example of a little roller. Isn't it cute? I love the little gold lid. So anyway, you take the top off of it, and then you can see the roller underneath, and that makes it super easy to rub on your essential oils. So the first thing you want to do is get your lid off. This one pops out pretty easily, but if it gets stuck, then you can actually use the cap. Let me show you how you would do that. So if that's on there, then you can use your cap and kind of leverage it against it. And it'll help pop it right out, okay? So now that you've got your empty bottle, what do you do now? So if I was gonna use something, say I needed to use Pan-Away, because my knee had been sore and I wanted to dilute it, then I could take a carrier oil like V6 vegetable oil and add it to my bottle here. And then I could add, 8 to 10 drops of Pan-Away. And then I would just add my roller top back to it. And then put on my little gold lid. And then add some sort of a little label, because odds are very good that you will forget what is in here after a while. I have multiple bottles around the house that I'm like, what was that? But here you are, and then you're good to go, and you have your own little roller. And it's so fun to make up different kinds of blends and play with different things. Maybe you want a happy blend. Maybe you want a sleepy blend. Maybe you want something for immunity. I mean, there's so many options, and Pinterest is full of great ideas. So that is how you make a roller bottle.